Hey guys, welcome. Welcome to Cooking with Tracy and more. Happy Saturday. It's raining like cats and dogs outside, which I'm very happy. I will get time to get some rest. I will get time to rest, okay? Welcome. Like up the video. So come with me and see what I'm gonna make up. So we're gonna mix it this morning, this afternoon in the kitchen. We're gonna have how we do? Must brunch, breakfast and lunch. We are doing now. Yeah, breakfast and lunch. Me I wash out my cutting board. Yeah. So we are gonna do breakfast. Almost 3 o'clock now, no, guys. Almost 3 o'clock. Soon supper time. You can imagine, no soon so me back again. Alright. So that. We are gonna mix this morning. I feel for put it more cornmeal pudding, but maybe me do it that. Me do that in my do that another week. Because I'm gonna do this a simple cornmeal pudding. No mix the for no. A simple one, quick and fast. But me don't know when me ever do it. I don't know when. Quick and fast. Cornmeal pudding. Sometimes coming up next week. If me not the mood. Me don't know. I don't know. When me spot my crabs is back then there. Oh God, me never turn on my headset. Maybe if me go turn on the video I go cut. Let me see. If me turn on the video I go cut. Let me see. Let me see if the video I go cut. If me turn on it. In a cut. Oh, it say connected in a cut master. Remember something I don't know about phone, you know. Me no young. Technology for young people. And the people that we are trying to be young. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Me no young again, master. Me a old footer now. But I don't know if anybody call me. The video got cut, so me have to go start all over back. But hopefully. Anybody not call me. Hopefully. Hopefully. Nobody no call me. Hopefully. Alright, so we're gonna put up them here. I'll be fine like dandy. Welcome. My ring sorted. Make one like a quick drinks. But then I want to put ice in it because I go want to drink same time. So this is our apple, one large apple. Miss Serena far. Them banana the other week are no good. No good banana, you know. Alright, so we put in a banana. When I say how many in a banana? I'm not talk too fast. I wash my hand and come. I have some leftover in the fridge and I want to use up. So I'm going to go something there. I'm not going to make the pudding. Because we don't want the new week on catch a leftover them, you understand? You know when your new week on catch a leftover them, so I'm gonna put this over here so I'm ready for. Alright, so the next ingredient, I'm gonna put this in this thing to wash out that. I just get my oats from Amazon. I order it off for Amazon. It's $2.49 for. You know when you go to check out, you have to go pay tax. When you look how much tax they on it. Alright. So Amazon brand oats. $2.49. I just see the Quaker, but I never use a brand yet. So chew me enough. I say I order it because chew me enough. Alright, this is supposed to be good. This is supposed to be good. But guess what? I don't know if in this kitchen we have to twist up things. I don't know. It's like how we mix up kitchen, you know. So we chat people business, we chat food business, and when we are cook, we mix up the food. So when we are blending drinks, you know, no different. Drinks are not, you're not gonna get because we're gonna mix you up today. Don't cook in the trace anymore. We're gonna mix up it. We're gonna blend. We're gonna mix up it. Yes. Yeah, we're gonna mix up it. You know, get where. If you think it I get where, make a sad mistake. You know, get where. No matter how you hear we say we're gonna do normal stuff in our kitchen, we always have to mix up it down. Yeah, we are mixed up it. It's not get wet. This is the lightly salted peanut grass. And I wash it. So if you not lightly salted peanut at home, you say, oh, I don't have no peanut when I have salt on it. You can wash it. And if you have to add to this, I soak it. Wash it 3 times. Then we soak it. Then we throw it at the water there. Yeah. So you can mix up. So make it stay there. If you think that it will come in our kitchen and not mix up. Mr. Big Sir give me the recipe here, you know. But it have to go mix up. Why? Mr. Big Sir give me the detox, yeah. But it have to go mix up. I don't like milk and me and a friend, so I not gonna use the milk. So that. So we are gonna mix up it. Yeah, we put peanut in it, yeah. That's the salted one. You want to come to our kitchen and come out and mix up. We have to mix it up. I think I could get the regular ingredients. We have to mix it up with some light salted peanut. Wash it 3 times. We have to mix it up. No. Yeah, we have to mix it up now. Oh, I wonder. Open enough water in there. So I'm going to put it in the fridge, make it cool. I'm not eat it for a morning, ma. Jesus, it come like too much stuff in this. Lord of mercy. Alright, we're not going to hear look nice in here. We're not going to hear look nice. Alright. Not too bad. We're gonna test it now, say if alright. Not bad enough, or not really, really bad. We're gonna test it. I'm gonna put this on my mouth and I'm gonna go drink it. It good. Too smooth for me, but it's alright. So I'm gonna put in our fridge now. So this is a banana, apple, oat, peanut. Alright. Put it in the fridge. Tastes nice. It's a healthy detox. Yeah, you know, so the apple having vitamin C, good for the this, good for the that. And the banana potassium. And then same thing there, night, and then same thing there. Alright. Now some tea, my body feels some holy tea. I drink some ginger tea this morning. But my body feels some more tea. So I'm gonna make some tea. I want big cup of more make peanut, but it's shame. I don't want to make on a seat. I don't want to make on a seat. This feel light. Oh, me order slap your mama from Amazon. So then come as twin pack. Slap your mama, the one that me have done. Look at that in there. The oats too, as much from Amazon brand, $2.49 maybe. Put this plastic man. I feel for some tea. You feel for some whole heap of tea this morning. Whole heap. Whole heap of tea. Oh God. Why? Wanna go on with me then? Me wanna go on with you know, alright? I'm here in the weather. It's rainy like cats and dog. And it's a big sir style Latino. You know what I say? It's rainy like cats and dog outside. So me take one instead. Me I drink ginger ale. What's I say? Some of the things I don't like drink out of me. My wine glass feel nice. Because I can't drink wine at work. So what am I going with in the rain? What am I going with? But get me there, whip up something coming to eat from morning. I don't know why I'm going. I don't want to go on social media from home. I don't want nothing yet. Maybe. You know, social media talk cafe. Cooking at the kitchen. And when you run your main table, it's a lunchtime. We're going to talk about, I don't know. We can talk about our business. So, I wake up, but rain a fall. So I just look about my girl, get one nice bowl of oatmeal, and cut up banana in, not oatmeal, cereal, cut up banana in there, and get her a nice coffee, and she eat. But she don't eat, she go sleep. And I was talking to Mr. Big Sir at one point in time. One of my big woman friend called me, and me and her that talk. And then when my next big woman friend called me again, and me and her that talk, and then me and Mr. Big Sir go back to talk again. So, and then I go take my morning shower. I mean afternoon shower that, you know. Cause must about 1:30 my bed. Cause last night, what time I bed last night? About same time I bed last night, I bed about 12:30 to 1 last night. But guys, you see when I wake up a morning time, I have to bathe and brush my teeth. If I don't bathe and brush my teeth, it's like I can't do nothing. So a morning time, when time we have busy morning, like we go up on the road and we go places, even when we're in our house. Cause you know a family, any children can call and so them I go stop by. So I do my regular morning bathe at like 9 o'clock, 8:39. And after I finish that now, I go look about my girl by 9:30, 10. Carry her out for breakfast in a dining room like 10:20, 10:30. She finish eat by 11:20, 11:30. And she go relax on the couch, put up her foot them, elevate her legs them. She relax and watch TV, and by 1:30 again she have lunch. And then me carry her go walk. We go walk outside. If it pleases her before walk, we walk. And you know, then we come back in. We spend like 1-2 hours outside. Come back in and have she munch on something meanwhile me start prepare supper. And she watch her TV. Yes, my love. That's like my daily routine, different from when we have doctor's appointment. If we have doctor's appointment now, you know, after breakfast we go through the door. We have people them we can carry. Private people them can carry. Me love how we go doctor. Me and one of the 8 children them. Me one of the child them. Sorry. We go doctor and come back and that's it. But today Saturday rain falls, feel nice. Me love when rain falls. Just feel nice. Me have look at time for myself. And we relax. Oh, the water stop. Me I gonna make one big bus sitting at tea, you know, me don't want to no judge me. Or nobody cuss me. Me feel for whole heap of tea. But me drink ginger tea this morning, so now me gonna drink some coffee. Cause me not drink coffee a long time now. From Mr. Big Sir did the but me don't drink coffee. And then give me some whole heap of tea bush and me that drink them, and then me switch from them about 1 week I gonna start do me ginger tea. And me drink ginger tea this morning, so now I feel for some coffee in the afternoon, but me a decaf. Me not drink regular coffee, me drink decaf. Cause me drink the regular coffee, me now go sleep for almost 2 days. Nothing we having caffeine me not drink. Everything when we drink, it have to be caffeine free or coffee decaf. So me I gonna make coffee. Me I gonna make one glass. A beer glass me I use. Me not use milk red bug. Come here for whole heap of coffee, whole heap of coffee. Mr. Big Sir nobody cuss me because Mr. Big Sir not like coffee, you know. So if you watch this nobody cuss me do. A weekend now. Now is the weekend, so sometimes hot can come off. And then when Monday come now, we go back to our regular stuff, because I know you. So guys, me use the hazelnut nuts. This is a Coffee Mate. Coffee Mate, but me I use the hazelnut, so this having everything already. You have in the little milk and sugar, everything. So when me use this now, me not have to use no sugar or no honey. I don't normally use the regular milk, drink my coffee. I normally use this or the plain Coffee Mate. Yeah. So after I drink this coffee now, I don't drink no coffee for now again. I like coffee or Milo with crackers. My crackers don't mess up too. Don't judge me, Mister. Don't judge me, because I know no. I feel for one big sitting on tea. I don't know what to do me. How wait for next? No. It's not easy, you know, sometimes me just do the sitting there. So I'm going to sweep my coffee. Hold on, let's see. Lord of mercy. This make me look greedy. It make me look greedy, though. It make me look greedy. Don't make me look greedy. Jesus. No. It make me look greedy. I don't know if I look a red coffee mug, but I'm not use it today. Where is it? And we have leftover from last night. I'm gonna go eat. I'm supposed to want to dinner, you know. This look holy, but I'm not going to see it half still. Because I have my mind for my dinner what I'm going to make. I have my drink on the fridge button. Yeah. So leftover from last night. If you don't watch last night video, no we know me I eat. Me not tell you no, you know, because no need to watch them. And Tom, oh this?